Hey YouTube, we're back again. My mom is having fun.
Don't call Bill Rice now.
Talking about Bill Rice.
Oh.
Okay, y'all know Bill Rice.
I love Bill Rice.
From the Alabama School of Barbering and Aesthetics. I'll put the link below so that you guys can visit. If you're in the state of Alabama and you want to practice barbering or aesthetics, give him a call. But that's not what this video is about. This video is about Mont Dore Dubai chocolate. So we're going to do a taste test, but I am not going to taste it today. My mom is going to do the taste test. So this is Dubai style chocolate. It's milk chocolate with pistachio butter and crispy kadayif. I don't know what that is, but if you've ever been to Dubai, you know what it is. Ain't nobody fixing to mess you up. Say hi to YouTube.
Hi YouTube.
Alright, so this is what we're going to do. We're going to open this up. It looks like this when you open it up. And I think they told me to cut it or break it because it's like in little squares.
I'm glad I didn't get sleepy till after Bible study.
Right.
I don't know what Bill don't put on there.
I mean, it's just relaxing. Like you don't go and get massages.
No,
and
they did
and
my
stuff
neck.
like
They did all the way down my arm. They did my hand.
We learned it in school, you know.
Ooh.
All right. This is what it looks like out of the package. That is the Dubai chocolate.
What they send you that for?
Because Dubai is the richest place in the world, supposedly, allegedly. Mm-hmm. And so this chocolate is very popular.
Very expensive.
Yes, very expensive. Okay, now
if it's good,
you take.
That's what I want for Christmas.
All right, well you take some.
I'll take the big piece.
Okay, she'll take the big piece, y'all. What does it taste like?
It's chocolate with. I don't know what that in it is.
Well, they said on the package pistachio. That's what they said on the package.
It could be pistachio and they got them ground up.
Mm-hmm.
It's good.
She said it's good. Now, I have not tasted this yet. Because, you know, y'all don't believe me half the time anyway. So I was like, let me get an honest opinion. And my mom is a chocolate connoisseur. She taught me about chocolate when I was a kid. Like, chocolate cake was my favorite chocolate. So if she says that this is good, then this is good. So, okay. So you said you could taste the pistachio. What else can you taste in it? Is it buttery like the package says? It says you could taste the pistachio. It's got, you know, a buttery. And there's something else that's crunchy, you know, crispy. Kadayif. Yeah, it's crispy.
Something got crispy.
No, I can't hear it. Anyway, that is what the package looks like. She said if she likes it, this is what she wants for Christmas, y'all.
Chocolate with pistachio butter and crispy.
Kadayif. 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 If I'm saying it wrong, y'all put it in the comments, okay? But anyway, this is what it is. Shout out to Mont Dore and my friend Alex for hooking me up with this to try. And if you are in my neighborhood, go to the Quick Stop and ask Alex or his son for a Mont Dore chocolate bar. These bars are originally... We are back with the second part to this Dubai chocolate. And I got the family. Got my daughter Bree. Got the son-in-law Jeff. Got the two munchkins. Y'all already know them. Y'all see them all the time because they always video bomb me. So they're reading the package right now.
You can't read it.
You can't read the package? It's not in English? It's alright. Yeah, they got the title. I did the best I could. Oh, y'all trying to read the instructions? You're trying to see what's in it? It'll never happen. You'll have to translate it. You'll have to like literally take a picture, upload it to Google, and get Google to translate it. That's right. Jeffrey said that's a lot.
All right. Open it.
Mom, because she did the first taste test, and you have to be honest.
Did she like it?
I'm gonna have to edit that part out. Yep. I heard the crunch. Yeah, I heard the crunch. So everybody gets a piece. Sugar Mama, are you gonna eat some chocolate? No, you don't want to. You scared? She said, I'm scared. I don't want to do my chocolate. You can get as big or as little a piece as you want. Hey, it's the real Dubai chocolate now. This is what everybody been screaming about.
How much was it?
I can't tell you.
Why?
I can't tell you.
Okay, I'm gonna go first.
Okay, Bree's gonna go first. Okay, describe what you're tasting. That's what we need for the video. We need you to describe what you're tasting.
I taste the crispy.
Okay. Is it like coconut?
Chocolate.
I hope not.
It's not? No, I was just asking because I haven't tasted it.
It's
I haven't
like-
tasted it yet.
Like a crunch.
Yeah.
It has like a little crispy.
Like a Rice Krispie?
Mhm.
Okay.
And the chocolate is good.
Okay. Now, y'all, YouTube, it's been in the
the-
refrigerator, so.
I taste the pistachio.
Look at Jeb.
I mean, it's okay. It's good, but it's nothing that I would, just crave or.
Like, you wouldn't be like, I have to have some of this and go out. Like, what if it had strawberries in it? You know, the strawberry cup everybody been making? No?
No, I have to try it.
You have to try it. All right, Jeffrey. Let's see what Jeffrey's tasting. Because he couldn't wait. He was over there nibbling already. It looked like he already had his in his mouth. All right, what do you taste, Jeffrey?
I taste the crisp.
You do taste the crisp. Okay, that must be like the first thing you taste when you bite into this. Is it?
That's the first thing you taste.
That's the first thing you taste is the
You
crisp.
taste the chocolate afterwards.
Really?
Same thing I said.
Oh,
Crisp
wow.
But
And
So, but it is-
after the chocolate, I taste the pistachio.
Right.
Right there at the end.
So you do get a hint of chocolate.
yeah.
Yeah. Would you eat it again?
Why does it smell like Nutella in here?
I don't know.
I'll eat it again.
I didn't taste it, so I don't know.
I wouldn't get a whole bar of it though.
Really?
It's too thick.
Water.
It's too thick? Really?
Chocolate thick.
Take it back out of the pack and let me look at it. Let me see how thick it is. Let's look at the chocolate bar. Oh, that's not really thick though. But I guess for what you're tasting, because they're
kinda
tasting
like
crispy.
we taste the chocolate more than we do the pistachio.
All right, Muff, your turn. It's time to taste the Dubai chocolates. She's so pretty. No, you can taste it. I just want to get your opinion. Like, what do you think it tastes like? Do you like the Dubai chocolate? Like, what do you taste? What does it taste like?
No, it doesn't.
Honesty is 9 years old, y'all. So you getting this from all aspects. She's 9. So from a 9-year-old's perspective, is it good? Do you like it? She got to taste it again. She acting like she on the Food Network, y'all. Look at Jeffrey.
What do you taste?
What do you taste? Is it sweet? Is it
tastes like
salty?
Nutella.
Tastes like Nutella.
Broccoli.
Broccoli? No.
You taste it.
You just see the green and instantly it's broccoli. No, there's no broccoli in it. You want some? You want a piece? Okay, we got to give Sugar Mama a piece.
It's not nasty.
What does it taste like? Does it taste like chocolate?
Crispy.
It is crispy?
Mommy, it's not nasty.
No, it's not nasty.
I like it.
You do? You like it? All right, we get a thumbs up. We got 3 thumbs up so far, y'all. I don't think that this is a bad. I think it's an acquired taste probably. But I'm just saying that because I've not tasted it yet.
It's gonna break.
Yeah. All right. Yeah, you can have some more. Sugar Mama is gonna taste it. You like it, Sugar Mama? Is it good? Sugar Mama is 4. That's Harmony. She's 4. Oh, she likes it.
Okay then.
Okay, Mikey. Hey, Mikey, she likes it. All right, the 9-year-old is getting another piece. That means it's good. You want another one? Okay.
Bye.
But she left. She's like, bye.
She don't like the game no more.
I think she likes it. I think she does. You know, Muff be, you know, she's like a computer, you know, gadget girl. So she was actually back there playing the game.
You don't want to try no more?
No, that's good.
Mommy.
I don't want no more to do by chocolate.
Not even Mama?
Now, yeah, that's mama do.
Mama,
Hmm?
you want some more chocolate?
Do I want more? No. I don't want any more, baby. It was good though. It probably would be.
She
good
likes
with strawberries.
it. Who's that piece for? Is that Jeffrey's piece?
Oh, no. Jeffrey don't want no more. Jeffrey said no.
Is that Bree? You're gonna eat another piece? Is that your piece?
Brianna might want one.
Oh yeah, Bree. She got another piece.
You don't want you to water.
Tastes the same. Get the crispy first.
Now that piece had less crispy.
Oh, okay. So you saying it's not even? It's not level all the way through. Mmm.
This is more creamy.
Well, it was hot
I want some
when I
more.
got it, so that's why I put it in the refrigerator.
No more.
It may have, you know.
But it probably is good with the strawberries.
You think so? Yeah, it probably is. All right, guys, that was the Dubai Taste Test. I will be talking to y'all later. Be good, make great choices, and stay blessed. And I'll talk to y'all later. Peace.